Woo.
Mountains are huge! It's so big. Wow.
Our hands are gonna smell like vinegar again all day, like the other day. You remember hours later, I was like, my hands smell like vinegar. You're like, mine do too. All right, my love.
More.
It is time for Mount Jai-Huge and this entire tablecloth to go to the dumpster. Here, shake it up. See if it'll bubble out some more.
Nope,
Oh my gosh, it's a whole soggy mess. We can't bathe. That whole thing's just going to collapse.
Please.
What do you put more of? No, look, it's still going.
I know.
Baby, squeeze it.
Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
It's still bubbling. I told you the whole thing is a squishy mess.
I know, I believe you.
Destroy the mountain. Destroy the mountain.
Destroy in the sky.
All right, go wash your hands while I clean up.
No, I'm gonna smoosh this.
Oh, baby, that's all paint.
Yeah.
Mariella Nima Tucker, destroyer of mountains. I caught you red-handed.
Why? How you call me red hand?
Hey, Mariella, what do you say?
What do you say? I'm squishing!
What a mess. Go wash your hands.
No, I'm still...
Womp, womp, womp.